Find a comfortable position lying on your back, allowing your body to settle into support. Let the ground fully hold you. Let the breath begin to soften. There is nothing you need to achieve. You deserve to feel deeply supported, an opportunity for deep rest. Take a slow inhale through the nose and a longer, softer exhale through the mouth. Again, inhale to receive. Exhale to release. Your body already knows its way back to peace. Feel the back of the heart resting on the earth, and feel the front of the heart gently opening to the space above you. Repeat silently to yourself, I am safe to rest. I am safe to soften. And now bring awareness to the soles of your feet, relaxing all of the toes, the arches of your feet and the heels, sensing a wave of ease traveling up the legs, the calves softening, knees releasing, thighs heavy and supported. The pelvis is wide, the belly unguarded, the breath moving freely. Softening into the ribs, the chest, and the heart space, allowing the shoulders to melt away from the ears, down towards the ground, the arms heavy and long, the hands soft and open. Relaxing the jaw, tongue resting, eyes calm behind the eyelids, and the forehead smooth and spacious. Your whole body resting in effortless awareness. And now placing one hand over your heart and one hand over your belly. Inhale and exhale into the center of your heart. Feeling the expansion with each inhale and exhale that you take. Inhale for 4. And exhale for 6. Inhale 2, 3, 4. Exhale 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This slow rhythm tells your nervous system that you are safe now. And as you continue to breathe in and out here, silently repeat your Sankalpa. I am safe, and my heart leads me home. And allow this truth to sink beneath thought into the cells and the very tissues that remember safety within the body. And now imagine a soft, warm light glowing beneath your sternum. Rose gold, radiant and gentle. With each inhale, the light grows a little brighter, and with each exhale, it spreads a little further. And this light expands through the ribs, into the shoulders, down the arms, through the palms, expanding into the throat and the face, the mind softening in its warm glow. Feeling this compassion radiating outward into the belly, the hips, the legs, the feet. Your whole body is bathed in the intelligence of the heart. And now imagine this light expanding beyond the body into a field of warmth. This warmth surrounds you. This is your heart's electromagnetic field. It reaches far beyond your skin, inviting belonging, connection, not performance, no approval. Whispering to yourself, my heart and my body is a sanctuary of peace and belonging. And stay here in this safety, breathing and bathing into this cocoon. And if the mind wanders, allow it to return to the heart, to the breath, to the warmth, to the home. And now gradually allow the light to gather back into your heart space, warm, strong, all yours. Sensing your entire nervous system settling into a new sense of coherence. The heart and the brain working as one. Bringing awareness back to the body. The body feels safe, supported by the earth. Noticing your natural breath flowing without effort. And repeating your intention 3 more times. My heart leads me home. I am safe. My heart leads me home. I am safe. My heart leads me home. I am safe. And now begin to breathe just a little deeper, wiggling the fingers and the toes, feeling the connection of your back body against the ground. Becoming more aware as you rest in the present moment. And then when you feel ready, roll to your right side. Take a pause, honoring the softness, the safety that you've cultivated. And when you feel ready, come slowly up to seated. Heart is open, breath is steady, nervous system safe and calm. Gently blinking the eyes open and carrying this coherence out into your life. Calm is power, soft is strength. Your heart knows the way to safety. Namaste.